my channel. Today we're going to be making lo mein. For that I will be preparing a couple of vegetables and chicken. So keep watching and see how I prepare all my vegetables and get ready for making lo mein. For the sauce, one teaspoon of chicken seasoning, one teaspoon of light soy, the 2 teaspoons of dark soy for the color, dark soy, and finally 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to mix it well. In cooking now. First I'm going to add some oil. I'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola oil. So 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add my ginger, garlic and chilies, which is finely chopped. Just 1 tablespoon. And then add my chicken. Once my chicken cooks, next I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to first start with carrots, onions and green chilies that I've cut. Look how colorful it looks. I'm just going to slightly saute them, and now make sure you don't overcook your vegetables. I'm going to immediately add my noodles. Once I mix it up, I'll get back to you. Noodles now. The next thing that I'm going to have added is the Napa cabbage. I'm adding this at the last because it leaves a lot of water and I don't want it to become soggy. Everything is cooked. Once everything is mixed, I'm next going to add my sauce. I'm going to mix it really well. And finally, I'll add the green onions. Okay, let me go ahead and mix everything nicely and show you. Here you go. My lo mein is ready. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the like and leave a comment. Don't forget the bell icon so that you will be receiving notifications about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. I hope you will try this at home and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the lo mein. Thank you. Bye bye.